Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Big fan of seltzer over here, and I want to show you one of my favorites. This is the Polar Seltzer, and this is cranberry lime. I have been a huge fan of Polar Seltzer for my entire life, and that is because it's the best. I don't know what it is that they do, but these bubbles are the most perfect bubbles. If you're a fan of seltzer, you know what I'm talking about. Not all bubbles are the same. So I love this one because I really love anything cranberry, and the little hint of lime flavor is such a nice touch. So this seltzer is so refreshing on a hot day or really any day. I find that this seltzer makes me drink a lot more water during the day because it's fun to drink and I crave it more than I would just regular water. So it really helps me to stay hydrated and I absolutely love it. So if you're looking for a super refreshing cranberry and lime flavored seltzer, I would definitely recommend this one from Polar. It is one of my absolute favorites. You can't go wrong, and that's my point of view.